Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. This is iPhone 13.
It has the sleek, flat-edge design that people love. It's also incredibly durable with our exclusive ceramic shield front, tougher than any smartphone glass, and has industry-leading IP68 water resistance. iPhone 13 has a new look for the advanced dual camera system with the lenses arranged diagonally. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame is beautifully formed and really shows off 5 new colors: an all-new pink, blue, midnight, starlight, and product red. Everything inside, including Face ID, the most secure facial authentication in a smartphone, fits into a space that's 20% smaller. Under the hood, iPhone 13 has been completely re-architected to make room for new technologies and a bigger battery. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. Both feature a more advanced Super Retina XDR display. It's 28% brighter, up to 800 nits. This new brighter Super Retina XDR display delivers an immersive viewing experience with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. And today, we're extending our lead with A15 Bionic.
You'll absolutely fly through demanding workloads smoothly and efficiently, thanks to a powerful new 6-core CPU with 2 high-performance and 4 high-efficiency cores. It's the fastest CPU in any smartphone, up to 50% faster than the leading competition. It delivers up to 30% faster graphics versus the leading competition. It's capable of an astounding 15.8 trillion operations per second. In addition to core performance improvements, there's a new display engine, new video encoder and decoder, and twice the system cache.
A15 Bionic also powers the amazing camera system on iPhone 13 to create our most advanced dual camera system. This is enabled by larger 1.7 micron pixels that capture more light and a wide f1.6 aperture. It's the biggest sensor we've ever put in our dual camera system. iPhone 12 Pro Max introduced an amazing advanced technology, sensor shift optical image stabilization. And incredibly, we are bringing this to iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. We've also custom designed a new ultra-wide camera that will reveal more of the dark areas with less noise. And iPhone 13 brings a brand new feature, cinematic mode.
Just start recording, and cinematic mode will hold focus on the subject, even when they're moving. Focus transitions happen automatically in real time, like from one subject to another. Cinematic mode anticipates when a subject is about to enter the frame and intelligently racks focus to them when they do. And when a subject gazes away from the camera, iPhone itself changes focus, and then back. For more creative control, you can tap to shift focus at any time. Tap again to lock and track focus on the subject. Cinematic mode shoots in Dolby Vision HDR.
iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini have advanced new camera systems with sensor shift OIS, fantastic low-light performance, and cinematic mode, also on the front TrueDepth camera. Next, let's turn to 5G. And on iPhone 13, we've innovated further on custom design antennas and radio components that let us add more bands, so iPhone 13 works on 5G with the latest speeds and in more places. By the end of the year, we will double 5G support to over 200 carriers in 60 countries and regions. Now let's talk about battery life. On iPhone 13 mini, most users will experience an hour and a half longer in their day than with iPhone 12 mini. And on iPhone 13, 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 for incredible all-day battery life. iPhone 13 is loaded with new technologies, including cinematic mode, A15 Bionic that's faster than the competition, our most advanced dual camera system with sensor shift OIS, longer battery life, 5G, and so much more. With all this, iPhone 13 still starts at just $699. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes for double the storage and adding a new 512 gigabyte option.
Our Pro lineup pushes the limits with our most advanced technologies for our users who want the very best iPhone.
iPhone 13 Pro features our most pro design, with exceptional materials like these surgical-grade stainless steel bands. iPhone 13 Pro comes in 4 striking finishes: a rich, deep graphite, gorgeous gold, beautiful silver, and this all-new Sierra Blue. iPhone 13 Pro has a newly designed front with a true depth camera system that's 20% smaller. On the front, it has our incredible ceramic shield that is tougher than any smartphone glass. It also has industry-leading IP68 water resistance. On the inside, it's been completely redesigned to support our latest Pro technologies, including the all-new camera system, incredible new display, and a bigger battery. Now, let's talk about performance. A15 Bionic includes our most powerful graphics ever with a new 5-core GPU. It provides up to 50% faster graphics performance than the leading competition. In fact, iPhone 13 Pro has the fastest graphics performance in any smartphone ever. This year, we're proud to introduce an entirely new Super Retina XDR display. The display now supports up to 1,000 nits peak outdoor brightness. That's 25% higher than last year. And for the first time, we're bringing Pro Motion to iPhone. With our latest technology, this Pro Motion display can refresh from as low as 10 Hz to as high as 120 Hz. Pro Motion is designed to respond dynamically and match your content. The advanced custom architecture produces fast frame rates when you need them and preserves battery life when you don't. We also optimize iOS to take full advantage of this. For example, when swiping between apps or scrolling, the system adapts the frame rates to precisely match the speed of the user's finger. The result is an incredibly responsive experience that is fast and fluid. The new Super Retina XDR display with Pro Motion comes in 2 great sizes, 6.1 inch and 6.7 inch. Now let's talk about the all-new iPhone 13 Pro camera system. This is our biggest camera advancement ever.
Starting with a new 77mm telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a new ultra-wide camera with autofocus and a larger f1.8 aperture with a 92% improvement in low light, and a new wide camera that has a larger f1.5 aperture and 1.9 micron pixels for our largest sensor ever, with up to 2.2 times improvement in low light. The ultra-wide camera also enables something entirely new on iPhone: macro photography. The new ultra-wide lens design and autofocus system enable incredibly sharp focus and can magnify subjects with a minimum distance of 2 centimeters. And for the first time, all of the cameras, including the telephoto, have night mode.
We're also introducing a way to personalize your iPhone camera with photographic styles. Photographic styles bring your individual preferences right into our advanced image pipeline, applying local edits like a photo editor would, but in real time as we render the photo. Select from one of our 4 default styles before you shoot. For example, rich contrast for a bolder look, or vibrant for a punchier look. Each uses our deep semantic understanding to intelligently apply the right amount of adjustments to different parts of the photo, while preserving skin tones. You can also customize the styles further with tone and warmth, which combine multiple attributes for a look that's all your own. And that's photographic styles coming to iPhone 13 Pro, and we're excited to bring it to iPhone 13 as well.
The new iPhone 13 Pro camera system also provides our most advanced video features. The new ultra-wide camera enables amazing macro slow-mo videos thanks to the new lens design. And the new 3x telephoto allows you to zoom even closer to the action and offers a great new focal length for video. This is really awesome when using our all-new cinematic mode, which uses machine learning and disparity to create a depth map that's built into the video. So you can change the depth effect, including the level of bokeh and where the focus is applied, even after the capture. This is another iPhone first, as iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro are the only smartphones that can do this. We also have another Pro video feature coming later this year, and that's ProRes Video. ProRes offers exceptionally high color fidelity and more efficient encoding for use in pro video editing apps like Final Cut Pro. You can now record up to 4K at 30 frames per second in ProRes right in the camera app. iPhone 13 Pro is the only smartphone to provide an end-to-end pro workflow, allowing you to record and edit in ProRes or Dolby Vision. Next, let's talk about battery life. iPhone 13 Pro lasts more than 1.5 hours longer in your day than iPhone 12 Pro. And iPhone 13 Pro Max will last more than 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. That means iPhone 13 Pro Max has the longest battery life ever in an iPhone. So that's iPhone 13 Pro with our most advanced technologies. An all-new camera system with 3 new cameras, ProRes video, cinematic mode, the new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, A15 Bionic with 5-core GPU, 5G, MagSafe, and incredible durability features. Even with all this incredible technology, iPhone 13 Pro still starts at $999, and iPhone 13 Pro Max still starts at $1099. And this year, we're introducing a new 1 terabyte storage option. This is a great addition for our Pro iPhone users. The 1 terabyte joins our 128, 256, and 512 gigabyte storage options. You can pre-order all 4 new models of iPhone 13 family this Friday, September 17th, and they will all be available on September 24th. So here's our new iPhone lineup, including iPhone 12, iPhone 11, and iPhone SE starting at just $399.
Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and take care.